I'm Bryce Wylde, co-founder of the DNA company. Snoring isn't just annoying, it can seriously affect your health. And if you snore heavily, you likely have sleep apnea, and it's worth looking into. Sleep apnea can cause interruptions in your breathing throughout the night, leading to poor quality sleep, fatigue, and even more serious issues like heart disease. And your genes, like NOS3, NOS3, which impacts nitric oxide production, and MTHFR, which can affect blood vessel function, both play a role in how well your body responds to these conditions. And you should know what genetic variants you carry. The good news? There are very simple products you can grab right here in the drugstore to help. See, nasal strips can actually open your nasal passages, reducing snoring and improve airflow. Mouth guards or oral appliances can also help by repositioning your jaw and keep your airway open during sleep. These simple, affordable solutions might just make a huge difference in your sleep quality and overall health. And they get our stamp of approval from the DNA company for supporting better breathing and a healthier sleep.